Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Miss Kate. It's me Kriti here. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you Amazon haul. So guys, the first product is this advanced lip scrub of Urban Botanics. So you must have seen Urban Botanics neem toner. These both I bought together. So if we open this, we have this glass bottle or container like this. Yeah, let me just open this, and there is the material inside. It smells like a strawberry candy. So guys, I'll try and let you know how it is and how it works. So guys, I am gonna try this on my hands. It's direct.
Wash your lips, take a small amount of lip scrub and massage into your lips to exfoliate.
So I'll just show you the color and texture. It really smells like a candy. I should eat it. अगर ये scrub नहीं होता ना तो I would have eaten this. So yeah, I'll apply this here. Its texture is of like normal scrub, pink in color. It's looking red in the camera, but it's guys, the next product is this Livon anti-germ hair spray. I have bought it for the first time, so let us see the results. I haven't tried it out yet, so let me just use it once. You see this before my hair, like before I use this spray, it is like this. It smells not that much good. Strange. It smells strange, kinda. So you can see how wet it is. You can see the after and before clip on the screen. You spot the difference. So the next thing is also of Livon company. It's hair straightening serum. So yeah, let me just open this. So inside this we have this cute little bottle spray bottle. So guys, this hair straightening serum is in a spray bottle, so I love spray bottles, so this is like perfect for me. And yes, smell is normal only. Yeah, this is of 100 ml. So guys, the next is this one, Livon serum for rough and dry hair. I have used this. So yeah, it's a normal bottle. I have used it, so it's less in the amount. I already have used it. Not now, but I have used it. This is also of 100 ml, and I really love this, and its results are really awesome. I think I should show you. I'll take some amount. I've just taken a little amount just to show you all. So I just will take some of my hairs.
It looks like kind of oily, how it looks like.
It has given shiny appearance. Next is this Vital Organics face serum. I was really in need of a face serum, so I thought it would be very good to have this one. So yeah, I have used it, so the quantity you may see is less. It is in 15 ml, and the smell is like its smell is not that much good. So guys, we have this dropper here and this bottle, and yeah, this is the dropper. This is the oil. It's kind of yellow kind of. I'll try this out on my hand. So strange smell, like the herb smell. It is like 100% natural, so I think it is 100% natural. The smell is natural only. I have to take a little amount. First I will show you my normal hand. You can see this is my normal, and
little amount only.
It gives a shiny appearance. It's a shiny look हो रहा है. Like I have used on my face, and yes, it gives a shiny appearance. It is really good. You can say from the other brands, because this is really natural. It smells like natural herbs. It has a smell of natural herbs. So I think you can go for it. Just try it once. I think you should try it once. So guys, the next thing that I have is this Tresemme used by professionals keratin smooth hair serum. It is of 50 ml, and I haven't tried it. I have tried it only once. It's also like that Livon one. It comes with this, and we can take out from this, and the packing is really good. I like this packing. So guys, the last thing is this goodness.me organic coconut baby oil. So I think that the products made for baby doesn't contain chemicals, so I thought to have this one. So this is 100% organic, it says that, and it is of 100 ml. Packing is really good, and it wasn't leaking at all. It is like this. It smells is like normal coconut oil. So yes, I should use this one on my hand just to show you out. So I have applied this that Kumkumadi Telam. So I'll just try it on this side.
And take a small amount.
Does the work of the normal coconut oil also. My skin is feeling so soft, so soft.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
So my skin is feeling soft. Yeah, you can go for this. You should try it out. Like personally, I think that in the baby products, they just don't add that much chemical because it is for baby. So I think you should try it out once. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm thinking to bring recreation videos because previously you loved the recreation videos, so I think I should bring more recreation videos. So yes, and now that's it for the video. And if you want to check out any product, all the links will be in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so that you will never miss an update from my channel. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. And thank you so much for watching.